Are you considering embarking on a PhD journey? Before you dive in, there are some secrets about choosing a PhD supervisor that you should know. Let's uncover the hidden factors that can make or break your PhD experience. Your PhD supervisor holds the key to your success. It's more than just a partnership, it's a relationship that can shape your academic and professional future. Don't be dazzled by popularity. Instead, focus on their expertise. Dive into their recent peer-reviewed papers to understand their research direction and relevance. It's all about the substance, not just the spotlight. But personality matters too. A quick coffee chat can reveal a lot. Are they genuinely interested in you? Compatibility is key when you're going to be spending so much time together. Communication is vital. Discuss your expectations openly. Do their supervisory style and your work dynamic align? Avoid future clashes by making sure you're on the same page. And here's a secret weapon: co-supervision. Don't put all your hopes on one person. A county supervisor brings balance and support. Their different perspective and expertise can be your safety net. Remember, a successful PhD journey is built on open communication, shared goals, and a strong partnership with your supervisor. Choose wisely, and your PhD experience can be a rewarding and transformative one. Subscribe for more insights on navigating your academic journey. Like, share, and hit the subscribe button to stay updated. Your PhD success starts with the right choices.